Alright guys, so we stopped here in Aspen for a second, and there's not really much free parking. We missed the 2-hour free parking that was there, but there's not really much to do here. There's like a museum and then a couple like hiking things, and today we just don't feel like hiking. It's just, we drank yesterday, and yeah, just don't feel like hiking, really. So we're gonna keep moving along. We're gonna stop at this campsite that's like by a little river or pond area, and then we're gonna keep going to Grand Junction tomorrow. But today we're gonna get Whole Foods pizza because it's 12 bucks for a yummy, 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 yummy pizza, and I'm hungry, Kamryn. So I'm gonna head there now because I'm really hungry. I'm like stupid hungry. Alright.
What are you doing to my pizza?
Just got a Whole Foods pizza. Do you want to put this on it? I think it might be good.
Tony's. Give me some Tony's.
No, this will be better. Tony's. Tony's is only good on like frozen pizzas. Open that back window, babe. It's hot in here.
That's what I'm gonna eat. Right there.
Let me eat this boy right here. I'm so hungry. Oh, it's working now. Sweet. I don't think it's coming in.
It's going everywhere.
You like it? The sandwich sprinkle? Damn, come on. Dude, she's loading this fucking thing up with sandwich sprinkle.
Yeah.
Whole Foods pizza, $12 for this big pizza, and you get 8 of these. Big as my head.
It is thick.
After having some delicious Whole Foods pizza in Aspen, or actually in a town right outside Aspen called Basalt, Colorado, we hit the road for Grand Junction, right outside of it actually, to a campsite there, and this is the drive there.
Alright, we're parked right here by the Colorado River. We'll check it out. See how cold it is. We're in a little town right outside of Parachute, Colorado. It might even still be considered Parachute, Colorado. Just a little pull off the side of Highway, I think 82. I might be wrong. Might be called something else.
Hold on. What do I look like?
Did you touch it?
Yeah, it's cold.
How cold was it?
Did I look really ugly?
No. How cold was it?
I would say it was about...
So like negative 100 degrees Fahrenheit?
I don't know Fahrenheit.
This is the campsite for the night. Just a random little campsite. Oops.
It's a pretty spot.
Huh?
It's a party.
So pretty.
Ow! What the fuck?
Is that cacti?
No.
What is it? Just hard bush?
How sweet. How sweet.
Good morning. We moved from that spot out by that river where we were just because it was a little too much bugs and whatnot. And I woke up here. Came in late so couldn't see all this. But it's pretty. Nice spot. We're gonna keep driving into Grand Junction today. Spend all day today there and tomorrow. Tomorrow, have a UPS package coming in, and then gonna head out after we do that. Keep moving along the journey. We should be in Utah by Tuesday or Wednesday, unless there's another camp spot here in Colorado I haven't seen. I have to check out. But yeah, this is a very pretty spot. I like that view the most. It's already hot, so I'm about to take off this long sleeve because I'm not about to go through a whole day sweating. But yeah, appreciate y'all for checking in. Keep moving. Yeah. Alright guys, we were driving along the road going to Grand Junction and we saw Palisade on the way, or I did rather, and so I pulled it up on the GPS and just came here. And we weren't aware of till recently of these peaches called Palisade peaches. Mia's Mimi, and somehow not really her Mimi, but Mia's uncle's grandma or mom God damn it, I'm so high.
And I knew that Palisade was here, and I already told you in advance.
No, I know, but I put it on the map today. Alright guys, we were driving down the road on the way to Grand Junction and we remembered that Palisade was on the way, and so we pulled over, and then now we're at this little market to get some Palisade peaches, because Palisade peaches were grown here in Colorado, and I believe from Palisade, that's why the name is Palisade. So yeah, we're gonna go get some Palisade peaches and try those for our first time. Never had Palisade peaches before. Gonna see how we like them. Alright guys, so that lady did not have any more peaches, so we're going to this fruit stand that she recommended down the road, and we're gonna get some there. Hopefully they still have some.
This is the only corn you can get here. We should have got to more.
60 cents is good,
We're
yeah.
gonna eat corn with our taco.
Look guys, we got this Olaf corn, which is a corn from Colorado that we were recommended to try. So we're gonna try this with something.
And they double as dolls.
And they double as voodoo dolls.
Hello.
And the Palisade peaches were $3.89 per pound, so we only got two because
It's so expensive.
it's expensive.
And we got smaller ones.
And we got, yeah, small ones too. And we gotta wait for them to get ripe because they're still a little hard. But we got the Palisade peaches, so we're gonna go try those. Palisade, cute little town, literally. There's a peach stand like every mile.
It's literally like all that there is here.
Yeah. Well, and they also have Palisade cherries, which we didn't get, which I wonder if we should.
We should get some. We should.
Let's Google them. Let's Google them.
Okay.
Don't try to come up in my ear talking all that raspy shit. Raspy shit. Don't try to come up in my ear.
Oh, this is what it's called. Wait for this. Wait for this. What did it say?
How fun was that?
Did you just call her an NPC?
Yeah, I don't understand his
You know what, this thing initially at the table I thought, no problem.
It's probably a video game player.
Sure, but simple dead office. But as soon as I realised just how densely packed it was, how chewy the bread was. I don't know what it is, but the patrons seem a little less enthusiastic here than elsewhere on this trip so far. 10 minutes down, we're not even halfway yet. This ain't looking good. That bread is so chewy. I mean, it's supposed to grow, but in case you missed it in the intro, this
What is
is
this missing?
$29.99 to order.
Salsa?
But if you can get it done,
Salsa.
it'll be a little.
Alright.
I'm sorry, could I get
Breakfast taco with
a
queso.
Diet Coke or Pepsi Max or anything like that? Yeah, a little late for the tactical Diet Coke, if you ask me. Dropped the ball a bit there. I should say that it is incredibly fortuitous.
Hatch chili
The fries are served
cashew
gravy,
queso is what this is.
Otherwise, this part would be even harder.
Pretty good. I like it.
Thank you very much.
Alright guys, well,
Alright, to clarify,
we're camping at a Sam's Club tonight. We're eating dinner right now. Probably gonna watch a movie tonight. And wake up tomorrow, do some editing at the library, wait for my package to arrive at the post office, and I have to finish the video tomorrow, so no ifs, ands, or buts. But yeah, that's pretty much the whole day today. We're just chilling. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.
Not even leaving, we're gonna stay.
Alright guys, I'm at the public library in Grand Junction, and I'm about to go in and edit for a little while. And then I'm gonna come back here, do some voiceovers, and then Mia's gonna come in and edit with me, because Mia's working on her channel. I'll leak that in the description so y'all can subscribe for when that happens. And yeah, we're gonna chill out here today, drink some coffee.
Well, the camera died right there, so I wasn't able to keep filming, but we just went inside the library, edited, did a little bit of work on the computers, got my package, and hit the road the next day to go to the Colorado National Monument, which is what the next video will be about. So if you want to, subscribe, stick around, and I'll see y'all then when we go there.